Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can record your screen in easy ways. So watch this video complete, and first of all you should like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's see how you can record your screen. So I will show you a screen recorder for your Android mobile. Go to Play Store and search Easy Screen Recorder. In this recorder, you will record your screen in Android. This is the best screen recorder ever. So this is the setting of this screen recorder. Resolution option. In resolution option, you can show 16040 multiply 720, and you can show this rotation, record audio, etc. In this recorder you will record your Android screen in 3 seconds. So you should like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest tricks, and I will show you more tricks about Android settings and other tech videos.